Good morning, my little ones. So, in the last video, we had learnt that if a word begins with a vowel sound, not letter sound, we write an. And if the word begins with a consonant sound, children, remember I am focusing again and again on sound, not letter. We use a. Now, today we are going to do the. Children, remember I had also told you that a and an we use for one thing or one singular person. We use a or an. Now we are going to do the. Can you see your children? There are three windows. 1, 2 and 3. If a teacher tells you, can you open a window? A means any window. You are not told any specific window to open. There are three windows. So you can open any window. Right? Now, there is only one window over here. So the teacher tells you, can you open the window? You know that there is only one window and the teacher is talking about which window. So it is the. So what did we learn here? We use a when we don't know about which thing we are talking about, and we use the when we know which thing or about which person we are talking about. Now look at here. We use the when it is clear which person or thing we mean. For example, the roof, the backyard, the kitchen. Where is Sam? He is in the kitchen. We know there is only one kitchen in the house, so we are mentioning the kitchen. Suppose, children, I will give you an example. If I am looking at you and I am telling you, Ram, there is a bird sitting on the tree. You don't know which bird is sitting on the tree. Yes, you will look at the tree and you will see, oh, there the bird is sitting on the tree. Second line, next line I will tell you, the bird is feeding her chicks. Now you know that ma'am is mentioning about that bird which is sitting on the tree. She is feeding her chicks. So we use a when we don't know about which thing or which person we are talking about, and we use the when we know about which person or which thing we are talking about. Okay. We use the in front of all nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable or uncountable to describe someone or something specific or unique. Now, I had told you that a and an is used for one person or one thing, but the is not necessary that it is used for one person or one thing. For example, children, the earth. We know that there is only one earth in which we live. Suppose I say the earth is blue in color. You know ma'am is talking about which earth. If I say a earth, no, it is wrong because there is only one earth. So the earth. The world. We know that which world are we talking about. The sky. We know which sky ma'am is talking about. The air. You know about which air we breathe we are talking about. The weather. Yes. And we also use the with mountains, rivers. The Ganga. We don't say a Ganga. We say the Ganga. Why? Because there is only one river Ganga and you know about which river Ganga ma'am is talking about. Suppose I say sun. There is only one sun. And if I say the sun is shining in the sky, you know about which sun ma'am is talking about. The moon is shining. You know about which moon is ma'am talking about. So we use the when we know about which thing or about which person we are talking about. Now, let us read this sentence. I bought dash sandwich and dash milkshake. You are talking to me and you are telling me, ma'am, I have bought sandwich and milkshake. I don't know which sandwich you have bought or which milkshake. So I bought a sandwich and a milkshake. Now I know you are talking about a sandwich and a milkshake. In the next sentence you mentioned dash sandwich was nice but dash milkshake was horrible. So now I know that you are talking about the sandwich which you have already eaten. So the sandwich which was nice but the milkshake was horrible. So understood children? When do we use the? Yes?